We are here in the beach. South China Sea to my right. The Shangri-La, Rasa, Ritcheal to my left. Over here. And we have a supermodel from Sabah, Ritcheal, who's going to be cooking with me today. And she's excited. Okay, shall we make some curry?
Yes.
Okay, super. So could you help me out then? I want you to do some chopping work. Maybe you can cut one onion.
Okay, how do you want it to be?
Small pieces. Let me show you one.
Okay.
So you hold.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay.
All right.
You can take it from there.
Okay.
So I'm going to put some oil in this. Oh yeah. Can you put on? Put the onions into the pan.
All of it?
All of it.
Do you need the whole onion?
No, that's fine.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. So what we've done here is we've made a paste of dried red chilies, which we have soaked in the water for like 10 minutes. So there's dried red chilies, there's some ginger, there's some garlic, there's some cumin seeds, and there's some peppercorns. Okay, we put a little water and made a fine paste. So we're going to be cooking the lobsters with this. So here they are. I suppose you're from Sabah.
Yeah.
Are these very popular over here, the slipper lobsters?
I guess so. Yes, lobsters.
Yes?
Yes. Right.
So we're going to cut them into chunks.
Yeah. Did you remove it from the shell?
Yes, I removed it from the shell.
How?
Well, just slit the lobster open from the bottom and then pull the meat out.
Oh. Right. Coconut oil.
So maybe another 30 seconds more. It's getting to brown.
Yeah.
You can see that.
Only onions, not so good.
Only onions. To this we add
Chili.
2 teaspoons of curry paste. Okay, so for now, we fry the paste.
Is there a timing? Say, for example,
Say maybe about 10 minutes. So meanwhile, I'm going to give you some work.
Yeah.
Can you peel this carrot for me? I'm going to give you a peeler over here.
Yeah.
So you got to fry this till the raw smell goes.
Yeah.
You can get the smell?
Yeah. It's the garlic, is it?
We add a little water to cool it down. So we cook the paste with little water.
Yeah.
So where's the salt?
Oh, it's here.
Oh, okay. So we add some salt to it.
Yeah. 2 pinch.
Yeah. 3 pinch.
Good.
Would you like to taste at this part of and just see how it is?
Right.
And tell me if the salt is okay. We're going to be finishing off with a little lime at the end.
Okay. Do I just...
Oh yeah. Yeah, you just got to blow
Not
it.
spicy, right?
You leave it. You said you like spicy food.
I love spicy food. Okay, this is spicy. But it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The salt is okay. The salt is fine. Okay, so what we do now is, can you put the lobsters piece by piece?
Piece by piece?
Yeah. You can take it in your hand.
Oh. Is that fine? Or do you need less?
Yeah. Everything.
There you go.
Fantastic. We're going to make a small salad with this. Getting it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, careful with your fingers though.
Yeah.
So you can see here the meat is well coated.
Yeah. Does it take long to cook a lobster?
Now, it's done in the next 3 minutes.
You can eat it raw, right?
You can, but they need to be absolutely fresh.
Right.
So what we're going to do to that now is...
Is that fine?
Oh yeah, super. Some more?
Some more?
Okay, what you can do is, no. You may cut the coconut. So we have used some tender coconut over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be fine. You can cut
Juliennes of it?
Juliennes of it as well.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine, perfect. Could you put both of these into this?
Yep. How do you want it to be? Well presented?
Oh, just add them on.
Like that?
Yeah.
Anywhere?
Yes, we're going to mix them anyway, so don't worry about it.
There you go.
Fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to just use a little bit of lime to finish this off. Okay, so we finish this with a little bit of lime over here. Can you give me the cucumber over there?
Yep.
Yep. So I'll add a bit of cucumber to the salad. So some juliennes of cucumber.
Yeah.
This is from south of India, from the coastal plains.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt. I'm just going to add one red chili for some.
Perfect.
And then lightly mix this up.
Okay.
Okay, so now to plate this, so we take the meat.
Lobsters for dinner. Ooh.
We put salad by the side. Some salad here. The salad is done.
Yep.
We just got to finish this up with a little bit of,
Sunflowers.
oh yeah, we just drizzle some ghee over it.
Nice.
There you go. Okay, so let's call one of the gentlemen and I'm going to introduce you to him. Datuk Gordon.
Yay!
Nice to see
Hi,
you over
Chef
here.
Sushil. Hi.
So meet Ritcheal. Ritcheal.
Hi, Rachel.
That's
Hi.
Datuk
Nice
Gordon.
to meet you.
Well, Datuk Gordon, there is something that,
Wow. Oh, okay.
and I want you to taste and tell me truly how it is. So that's slipper lobster with some chili. It's spicy, and have it with some coconut salad.
Okay, I'm salivating now.
You salivating now?
Yes.
Wow. I know you're a lover of good food. Try it with some salad.
Wow. Out of this world. Really nice.
So, what do you feel?
The very fresh and very spicy and tangy. It's out of this world.
Thank you so
Heavenly
much.
and fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yes.
We're signing off from the Shangri-La at Rasa in Tuaran, Sabah. And with this dish, we're going to go inside. Our beers are cold. Let's open it.
Cheers.
See you folks. See you. Bye. Thanks, Rachel.